Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Airbnb support. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and contact Airbnb support. Maybe you're in an Airbnb which wasn't described as it was. How do you actually go ahead and contact them? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then go ahead and scroll down and click on Get Help. Next, click on Visit the Help Center. Then scroll down more and click on Contact Us. So what this will eventually open up is that it's going to open up a contact page if you give it a couple of seconds. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and write your message. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and contact Airbnb support. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.